Hey guys, so we're going to install this new wheel. I guess this is the first time you guys have seen this. So this is a Sparco, well I can't really remember the model number, but it's from their track line, so it's Alcantara. It's a real nice fabric. We're going to replace that Momo race wheel with this and the new harnesses that match it well, I think. I'll list the part numbers and stuff for you guys in the comments if you want to get yourself a set. You'll get the exact same one, so there'll be no mix-ups there. I'm not going to film the installation because that would be boring, I think, but this is what we're replacing anyway. Alright, problems though. Looks good. I like it better than the Momo race wheel, but we have a problem with the horn. Something Sparco didn't address is the horn button won't fit in the hub, but the Momo one does. Done deal. Super easy. Not very cool. We'll have to sort something out. Crazy. Crazy. Maybe it wants to be a Momo Sparco wheel. Looks kind of silly though. Sort something out and let you guys know. Okay, I figured it out. Momo wheel with the Sparco sticker. At least Sparco was smart enough not to stick it to their horn button, which doesn't fit. Now it's a Momo Sparco. So if you guys buy the steering wheel for your car, chances are you're going to have to sort something out like this if you aren't replacing an aftermarket steering wheel, or trim up that horn some way. But regardless, done deal. On to the harnesses. So these old harnesses look like this. They're bolted where your factory seatbelts would be. It's just then replaced with eyelid bolts. You can see I already did the passenger side there, over there. They just look like this. So there's some work to be done. It's all tight spaces. So it'll be fun when you guys change to these harnesses, if you decide to. Just go into the project knowing that you're going to have to be a contortionist. Don't say I didn't warn you. So, this is what we're working with now. Love that Alcantara. Looks good. I think it matches the car pretty well. The Sparco harnesses look awesome. Black and gray, or silver maybe they call it, I don't know. Worthy, for sure. It was due for new harnesses anyway. Sorry you see my shadow there. Love these new cam locks. They look so good. Definitely high quality, you can tell. Just the feel of everything just feels very nice. Good quality. Well, what do you guys think? Like it better than the Momo race wheel? Or not? Let me know, I guess. I mean, some people might have picked a different brand, but I knew that Sparco made steering wheels and harnesses, so the choice is pretty easy for me. And they're valid till 2023. So if we want to race the car, we won't have to worry about the harnesses being out of date or anything like that. I really like that wheel though. It's 330 millimeters. Feels awesome. Like the quality of this stuff is definitely there. I mean, everybody's got fake Sparco stuff, but you can definitely tell the real deal from the fake stuff. Doesn't take a rocket science, or a scientist I should say. Yeah, cool. But it's about that time. I rolled the car out of the garage. springs here, so what do you say we start it? You can tell springs here. People are outside cleaning their cars. It's crazy. Love that fuel pump. Oh, goosebumps. Don't mind the car, it's a little dirty. It's sat for 6 months inside. There it is, gents. Done deal. Successful day. Love it. Like the harnesses. The wheel feels deadly. You can definitely tell the quality. I mean, everybody's got fake Sparco stuff, but as far as this goes, you can definitely tell the quality just by touch. The feel of everything. It's remarkably heavy, actually, for being an aluminum cam lock. But I guess it's got to be strong. Crazy. The Momo horn button with the Sparco sticker. Wonder if they'll know it's an imposter. Well, it'll be our secret, I guess. But that's a note to Sparco. Their horn buttons don't fit in all aftermarket hubs. So if you buy this wheel, just be aware of that. You may have to trim up the Sparco button or seek another solution. See all the snow everywhere. It's melting though, it's like plus 7 or 8. It's warmer in the garage, but so our next video will probably be there's a car show coming up on me pretty quick in about 3 weeks, April 6th and 7th, so I'll bring you guys along for that. A few things more I got to do to the car before we go, but we'll get there. Should be 200-300 cars. Nice cars. It's an indoor event, of course. But you guys come with me and we'll check that out. I've entered the car, so we'll see. Maybe we'll win something, and maybe we'll just go for the fun. I'm going for the fun anyway, but it'd be cool to win a trophy or something. So yeah, I guess until that video, I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to do the startup for you guys and show you those new harnesses and steering wheel I got. I think they're pretty awesome. Okay, we'll see you guys in a couple weeks.